It's van tour time. Welcome to our home, August the Camper Van. Come on in. Let's start with our upper storage that holds our window covers, bug screens, and other easy access items. We use these blackout curtains for added privacy. This upper cabinet holds our bathroom items, while this one holds kitchen items that we use often. We love our farmhouse sink and butcher-block counter, as well as our 2-burner stovetop. We put our everyday items into this basket next to our favorite books. We also love decorating our space with pictures and memories of our travels. We charge our electronics with these outlets, and these control switches are in charge of lights and water. We love using this pull-out table for our counter space, and we use this drawer for extra easy access storage, and our food is kept fresh with our Dometic electric cooler. We've got a full-size bed and 2 upper cabinets to hold our clothes. Our bed is actually so comfortable because it's made up of 3 foam tops. We've got more books to the bedside here. Our Thetford toilet sits in our shower, and to help with circulation, we have 2 Max Air fans. Storage is key, so we use our seats to hold packs, bags, and headlights, and we've got our favorite hats and accessories, while our coats have a special spot behind the seat. Let's check out the back. This is our backyard setup that helps our campsite feel even more like home. We've got a bed for Chaco, the Kelty love seat, which, to be honest, is the best, a pop-up table, and a Coleman lawn chair. Our electrical system is in the garage, as well as a 25-gallon water tank. Let's head upstairs to the roof deck where we have 2 100-watt solar panels and a deck to enjoy views. We love all of the places van life has taken us. Thank you for checking out our home on wheels. Follow us for more adventures. Safe travels, everyone.